Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to create a custom application in Oracle Enterprise Performance Reporting Cloud Service. To create a custom application, administrators specify the application name, create dimensions and models, and load or manually add dimension members, deploy the models, load and validate data, and apply security. Let's create a custom application. I'll add dimensions, members, and a model to the application. An application must have one time and one account type dimension. You can have additional dimensions as needed, and you can create them in any order. From the Application's Actions menu, I'll create a dimension for scenarios. You can change the name and add a description if you want. I'll accept Read as the default access. When you create a dimension, you choose a setup preference. In the custom setup, the dimension members and properties are manually defined in the user interface or loaded from a formatted file. In the typical setup, dimension members are populated for you based on predefined properties for the selected dimension type. For scenarios, the actual, forecast, and budget members are predefined. There are also some predefined variance and variance percent members that you can enable. Let's enable Actual versus Budget, save the dimension, and return to the Dimensions and Models tab. Models let you group and manage dimensions for reporting. You can have up to 5 models in an application. Let's create a model named Model 1 and add the Scenarios dimension to it. You can manually add members to dimensions, or load them from a dimension build flat file. Sample formatted files are available in the library. This load file for scenarios includes member properties, such as the member name, parent, and consolidation method. I'll load scenario members. Six rows were successfully loaded. Let's open the Scenarios dimension to see what was loaded. On the Hierarchy tab, you can review the loaded members, manually change member properties, and update the dimension hierarchy. By using the same steps, I've added the remaining dimensions and members to the application. After making changes and additions to dimensions, members, and models, an icon prompts you to deploy the model. You can deploy one model at a time, or deploy all models at once. After deploying the changes, you load data into your models from a data load file, and then validate the data in SmartView. You can also set up security. At the application and dimension levels, you assign user and administrative access, and at the data access level, you grant access to the data. These additional steps are covered in other tutorials. In this tutorial, you saw how to create a custom application. To learn more, visit cloud.oracle.com.